Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I decided to jump on the bandwagon. I ordered some Grove Collaborative, and I follow Hot Southern Mess, who is also Mini Me in Tennessee, and on YouTube. And she started doing this, and she had a promo code where you could use her code and get some money off, and she would also get some money off. And I thought that I would love to help her because she is just so stinking cute. And I wanted to also try the products. So these products, you can do them so that they come as like a subscription. Or I don't even know if that's the right word. But so that they come regularly and you never run out of cleaner or whatever. And they have a lot of choices. Let's try to dig into this. So like I said, they have tons of things on their website. Gives me a packing list, and it says these are the best natural products. We make finding the most effective toxin-free home and personal care products fun, easy, and affordable. Delivered to your door. Save 30% over the store and skip the trip. We deliver to your door and carbon offset every shipment. On your schedule, edit shipments or change delivery dates. We'll alert you a week before your shipment. And then they have a VIP service, which try Grove VIP to get free shipping, gifts, and early access to products and more. Over $90 per year of value. And you don't, I think they automatically put me in the VIP program for 60 days. So I'm in it for now, and then I can just cancel it if I decide I don't want to be, if that's not for me. And I don't know what this is. I'm not sure what that is. A little sticker, if any of you guys know, let me know. But this is a walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge, and so it's two sponges. They have the little scrubber on the top and then a regular sponge on the bottom, and I thought that that would be nice. It doesn't have the prices on here, but I think that this was like $3.99, something like that, which I thought was a fair price as something I would pay anywhere. So that's really nice, and these are made with renewable plant materials, and maybe I'll try to list the prices below or something if you guys are interested. Oh, I'm excited about these things. Some of them are sticking together. This is a microfiber duster, so it has a loop so you can hang it, and the stick feels very nice, and it's very thin and flexible, and it says Dust Whisperer. Microfiber duster. The head works like a magnet to collect dust. Flexible handle reaches into the tiniest spaces, ideal for bookshelf, bookcases, ceiling fans, and more. So that's very nice. I am liking that. And then here is a Mrs. Meyer's room freshener. I'm going to try to take off this tape. That's some strong tape. We make effective, trusted formulas without propellants, I don't know, without formaldehyde, parabens, artificial colors. And this is a room freshener, and I'm trying to tell you, oh, lemon verbena scent. Lemon verbena is an herb with a light, wonderfully refreshing citrus scent. It is said to invigorate and stimulate the mind. How nice of an herb. How nice of an herb to pick you up. So I'm just going to spray it over here, I think. Oh, nope, it's closed. or it has a protective. That's nice. Very nice. Oh, that's a very nice scent. It's very lemony and clean. Oh, it smells really good. And this is a room freshener, so you can spray this like on your linens or just to refresh the room. And then that little thing that stopped me from pushing it, it's attached. So all you have to do is push it up and turn it, and now I can't squirt it. And then if I want to squirt it, turn it and push it down, and then it's available to squirt. So that's a really neat, I like that idea. So there's that. Let's see, this one is the 7th generation wood cleaner, and Lisa is her name. She spoke very highly of this, and she does a lot of cleaning videos, and her house looks amazing. My house is not anywhere near that clutter-free, and my head is not that clutter-free. So, yeah, very nice, and she loves this, so I'm thinking if she likes it so much, I certainly will like it. And it's in the scent Lemon Chamomile, and it is, like I said, a wood cleaner. Oh. So this one, I think, is fabric softener. Like I said, they have everything. And yes, this is fabric softener by Method. And feels soft, smells good. That sums up what you get with this fabric softener, because even the clothes need an extra TLC. And this is in the scent Ginger Mango, and this is 45 loads. So I'm going to smell this. I have never had a fruit scented fabric softener before, but they only had 2 scents and they were both kind of fruity. Ooh, that's very nice. It's a very good scent. It's not too fruity. It's not like you're not thinking, it's not like a candle where you're going, oh, that smells so good. I mean, it smells nice, but it smells clean too. Very nice. I'm kind of excited to try that. And this was trying to come out with it, so I'm just going to take this out with it, or now. And this is just some good old scrubber. It is just a powder cleanser, and it says hasn't scratched yet. And it's Bon Ami, cleans without scratching, and it's, you know, it's just the powdery cleaner. I think this was $1.99. Kitchens, cookware, tubs, and tile. I mean, it's good for anything. I like it in my bathtub. That's mostly where I use the powder. I just leave the can up there. I haven't tried that particular powder, but other powders. And this is the Method All-Purpose Cleaner, and this one is in lime and sea salt. It cuts grease and grime. It says, friends don't let friends use dirty ingredients to clean. And it says, grease and grime don't stand a chance, not with Power Green technology in your grasp. Each squirt, in all its lovely non-toxic glory, delivers a powerful cleansing punch with natural-derived, biodegradable ingredients. Cleaners made from corn and coconut oil break down dirt, leaving nothing behind but the pleasant scent of victory. It's good for counters, tile, stone, wood, glass. So that's pretty nice. And let's see what this... I don't know what blue tape that they use, but this is like some extra strong, nice blue tape. I mean, it really, and it peels off nicely, thank goodness. So, I don't know if it has a locking, oh, it does. In this lid, you can turn it to make it lock and not lock. I'm not going to squirt it, but I am going to open it and smell it for you guys, because I want to see what this lime and sea salt smells like. Well, it smells very limey, and it smells very good. I don't know that I smell any salt, but would you? Probably not. So that is nice. I am liking this. All-purpose cleaner. Yay. Oh, I'm excited about this too. This is a Crystal Clear 2.0 glass cleaner, and this is replaceable, and this like glasses, and it has this nice handle where you can sit on the kitchen counter or your sink, and it will stand up. I don't know if you can see it, but it is standing up by itself. And prepare to be dazzled. We're thrilled to partner with fellow B Corps Full Circle to bring you exceptionally functional, beautiful, and sustainable products like this amazing Crystal Clear 2.0 glass cleaner. Designed to easily clean inside glasses and made with earth-friendly materials, it removes lipstick stains like magic and gives new meaning to sparkly clean. And it says Spongehead is top rack dishwasher safe. So, and they sell, like I said, replacement heads, so you could just unscrew this and put on a new one, and you can put it in the washing machine, or not washing machine, the dishwasher on the top rack. So that's kind of nice. And I mean, the handles on these things are so nice. I mean, they feel really good in your hand. And let me just open this and see what the scrubber feels like. And I needed something that I could use for my bottles that I, not bottles, but my water glasses and stuff. But it would be good for bottles. I just don't have any bottles in my house. But, I have like a scrub brush and I have a towel, but it's hard to get in there, especially when you're using a big, bottle. But this will fit way down into the water bottle and be able to clean it. And these are little sponges. They feel very spongy and nice, and looks like there's little buttons here that you would push to maybe change out the head. I don't know. I don't really want to do that right now, but I'm sure that if I got a replacement, it would teach me how with no problem. But I'm sure this will soften up after use, but it is very nice. I'm liking that, and I really love that it will stand alone and it will kind of dry. There's nothing worse to me than wet sponges in the sink. Ugh. And, oh, this was a freebie. They gave me a 16-ounce spray bottle, and I could pick whatever I wanted as my products. I don't believe I got any free products. Well, I did. But instead of free product, I got $20 off. So I got free product, but it wasn't specific free product. I could pick whatever I wanted. So all of this was my pick. This was just a freebie. So this was extra. But, and this is a $10 value, if I remember correctly. And it's a water bottle or whatever bottle. I'm thinking I'm going to put some vinegar in it. And then this is like silicone cover. Very nice. And it feels really good. And it has, well, it has an on and off, but honestly, it doesn't work. The on and off, it's on all the time. Maybe if I had something in here, it wouldn't be. I don't know. But right now, it seems like it would squirt no matter what. But it's glass. It was free. So I like it. I like this container too. I'm kind of thinking I don't want to get rid of that, but who knows. That is pretty cool. Huh, I like it. And, oh, that's about it. Two more things. Okay, so this one is, oh, some squirt and mop, which I needed. I have a, what do they call those mops? Well, you guys know what I'm talking about, but one of the mops that takes the squirty stuff. It is early, guys, and I don't have makeup on or anything. I just woke up. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do these hauls because I want to. And that way I can use the product too, and maybe I can do a review and show you guys what I thought of them after I use them. But this is for hard mop cleaner, and this is ginger yuzo. So I don't know, let's see if I can smell it. Ooh, that smells really good. That's nice. And then this, like the top of this has little holes in it, so you're actually, like, when you're using it, you can squirt it around like this instead of it just coming out in one big like line of stuff. You can squirt it. Now I might be able to put this in my machine and just use it that way, or I could just, you know, like spot clean parts on the kitchen floor or whatever, because I don't have hardwood floors, but I do have hard floors. They're laminate. So there is that. And then the last thing I got was some Mrs. Meyer's vinegar gel no rinse cleaner, and this is in the lemon verbena scent again. And let's see, what does it say about this? This is septic system safe. I don't know why that matters, but used to remove difficult hard water stains or soap, or for general cleanup throughout your home. Apply a small amount of gel directly to the surface or squeeze on a sponge or cloth, then wipe surfaces clean. No need to rinse. And that's one thing that I really liked about it, is that there is no need to rinse. And I love using vinegar-based products. Ooh, it kind of stinks, but it's vinegary. I mean, and it's not very vinegary, actually. I don't know. I mean, it smells cleanish. It smells clean. I shouldn't say cleanish, but it doesn't smell great. But, you know, not everything does, and it's vinegar. So, I mean, what's it supposed to smell like? Vinegar. And this is tough on hard water stains, and that's the reason I got it, because, and I've never tried a gel. Can you hear that? So very weird, but yeah, I think I will like it. And we have hard water here, so I thought that this might be really good for some of the surfaces that I have with the hard water. So like, I don't know, I'm trying to think of, sometimes on the refrigerator where you get the water, that little tray that comes out, that is awful, and I need to clean it. And I've cleaned it, but it doesn't like look clean because it still has hard water stains on it. So hopefully this will help. All of the little tub and shower, the little metal part at the bottom of the tub where the water goes through, that could use a good scrubbing. So that's why I thought that this might come in handy. And that is everything. So I think that's pretty good. I think I spent a total of $30 or something for all of this. Maybe a little more. I don't remember. But check them out. And I think that maybe I'll have a code. I don't know how that works yet, but if I do, I will share that with you guys, because then you guys could also save money or get free product. And I did not sign up for the auto shipment, so I don't know. You might be able to save more money if you do sign up for that, but I thought that I wanted to first give it a try. Now, I know that some of these products are available at Target, for example. The Method and some of the Myers brand stuff is at Target, but with this discount, there was no way I could compare prices and get it for the same or even less. I got it for less, way less this way, even if it's just a one-time purchase. I'm not sure, but I do kind of like the idea of them coming to your home, and I love, I mean, like, these cleaning products seem fabulous. I love this. This is very nice. And when a product gets you excited about cleaning, it's worth the money. So that's where I am right now. I'm kind of like, ooh, I get to clean, which is, you know, not my normal, but yay, I'm excited. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Sorry, it's kind of a rambly video. And I hope that you guys give it a try, and I hope that you check out Hot Southern Meths. You might like her. I love her, so I think that you guys will. And that's that. I'll talk with you soon. Bye-bye.